Alright, Algebra 2. First it says, explain why the events selecting a card that is not a face card and selecting a face card if you replace the first card before selecting the second from a deck of 52 cards are independent, and find the probability. I know the problem with this question is the wording. First, but let's just break it down. We need to identify whether it's independent, or why it's independent. And it says you're selecting a card, and then selecting another card, and then you replace it. That replacement tells you that it's independent because the probability doesn't change just because you selected something. So it's an independent probability. So no matter what, if you get a heads or if you get a hearts the first time, doesn't change the probability of anything. If you get a 1 the first time, doesn't change the probability of anything because you're always replacing the card. All right. So with that, we have to figure out how many face cards there are there. Well, face cards are the jacks, queens, and kings. There's 4 of each. So there's 12 face cards. Out of 52 cards, so we do 52 minus 12, that means there's 40 non-face cards. So these are face, these are non-face, or number cards. Okay? So it says, what's the probability of first selecting a non-face card? Well, that's going to be 40 out of 52, because there's 40 non-face cards out of the 52. And then the probability that the second one is a face card, that's 12 out of 52. And if we want the probability that they'll both happen, which is what it's asking, we just multiply. And our final answer is going to be approximately, since we're going to have to round, 0.1775. You could say 0.178, but I always put as many decimals as I feel will show what the answer is.